Hello everyone, glad to meet you again. This video we will come to look at the difference of Howo dump truck and the Howo A7 dump truck difference. Today we come to sinotruck factory to show you to make a video to show you the difference of Howo truck and Howo A7 truck, so that when you make a decision, it is easy to make a choice. Let's look at the cabin first. Here you can see this is the classical Howo model cabin front face. Here you can see this is the Howo mark. It is one sleeper bed. Here you can see. Let's look at this. This is the Howo A7 cabin. From the outside, here you can see Howo A7 is a little beautiful than the Howo cabin. And also inside, the Howo A7 is comfortable for the driver to drive. The cabin is more beautiful. So the biggest difference of Howo and Howo A7 truck, the difference is their cabin is different. If you want to buy a truck to begin your business, Howo is best choice. And if you already have enough money and the driver wants to have a comfortable drive, Howo A7 is best choice because it's inside. It's more comfortable for the driver to work. And for the engine and the chassis, here you can see they are the same. Here you can see engine is 371. This is Howo. Here you can see the front axle is 9 tons. This is the heavy-duty rear axle. Here you can see this is the Howo A7 chassis. They are the same. Driving axle. So both Howo and Howo A7, their chassis is the same. The biggest difference is their cabin is different. So when you make a decision which one to buy, you can confirm with your driver. He need a comfortable cabin, or the normal cabin is okay. Howo is economic, and for the Howo A7, it is beautiful and comfortable for the driver to work. Hope this video can help you understand the difference of Howo and Howo A7 better. Thank you for watching this video. If you want a Howo dump truck from China, please contact us by WhatsApp or email. Thank you for watching this video.